suspect. One's not like the other. This look a little sus, dude. I see that. Bro, I think we found it, dude. Yo, what's up, guys? And welcome back to the channel. Today, we're actually going to be doing some diagnosis. We're going to be running a compression test on our SR20 240SX over here. All right, guys. So we're going to get we got to get our spark plugs out first. Disconnect the coil packs.
Whoa! We're doing any diagnosing. Bruh. It needs to be on my new project car.
Oh, just because you got a project car, you're taking over the channel now, huh?
Hey. Come on now.
All right, guys. So I guess we're not going to do this on the 240. Let's do it on Rachelle's CRV. She can do it. We'll show how easy it is. Even Rachelle can do it. No mechanical experience. There you go. All right, guys. So I guess we're going to be doing it on our 2001 project car CRV. Probably a smarter choice than the 240 because that one's running right. This one's running like let's check it out, guys. So we've got our B20 Honda engine here, and it's got some issues. So the first thing we're going to do to start diagnosing some internal engine damage is a compression test. Let's go from there. We got to pull these plugs, so let's get to it. All right, we got to get this fuse pulled out for the relay. We'll come right down here. We got a panel. Let's take a look. We got fuel pump. All right, let's make sure it's working. All right, so Wes went ahead and pulled our fuel pump fuse to make sure that we're not sending any fuel to the engine while we do this. We're gonna crank it over, and we just want the compression strokes, and we're gonna read those, see what's up, so we don't want it trying to start, so that's why we pull the fuel pump.
Try and say fuel pump fuse 10 times fast.
All right, guys, we're just gonna work our way down the cylinders here. Pull our spark plug out. Take a look at it. I mean, there's definitely nothing too crazy alarming on it. Let's go ahead and get our adapter put in here. All right, guys, so they got some multiple different sizes on the compression tester fitting, and we're just gonna match it up with the same size. So our spark plugs, we need to match it up, so it's gonna be this larger one. Get this threaded into place here. Rachelle should be doing this, but she took off, dude. She left us here. She said, work on my car, and she left, bro. Can you believe that? All right, guys, so we got this in here. We're gonna pull on it, make sure it ain't coming out. And then we'll just use our quick connect fitting. Boom, pull on that. What this says, and luckily we have an assistant to crank this over. All right, well that cylinder is good. Look at that, 150 PSI. That's good, we cranked it over a few times. So that's not our problem cylinder. All right, guys, we'll move on to the next cylinder. Let's see what happens. Give it a little bit more. All right, looks about the same. A little bit less on this one, but still pretty good. We only got 2 left. Ooh, I don't know. That one's looking a lot more suspect. One's not like the other. This look a little sus, dude. I see that. Look at black. Definitely doesn't look like it's burning correctly. Let's put the compression tester in there and see what happens. Let's see. It's a moment of truth. Bro, I think we found it, dude. Oh, yeah. Dude, look at this. Can't even pour a car, dude. So the spark plug told us the story. We're gonna check the other one just to make sure, but that's definitely we have some major issues here.
Didn't even have nothing to let go, dude. Damn hole in the piston on the other one.
This looks like the other 3, so obviously just by looking at the spark plugs we could tell, boom, 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 3 of them were the same. Just a visual inspection tell us there's something definitely wrong with that cylinder, and then needless to say, do the compression test and it shows no. We're gonna throw a compression test on this one. I'm gonna have a feeling it's gonna be about the 150 range. Cylinder here, we're gonna get 150. Will she be all right? Yeah, so this one's good. So problem cylinder, easy. This tool makes it easy to diagnose engine damage. Now the next question is what is the damage? And I'll show you guys how to do that in the next video.